So, good day, sir. For the continuation po sa Excel ko po, sir, about the beam bearing plate. So, for my beam bearing plate, sa case 2, case 1 is LB should be equal to thickness of the wall. Wherein sa case 2, LB should be less than the thickness of wall. So, ito yung diagram niya po, sir. So, um, since may A1 ka, which is the area na B times LB, for the area 2 is the thickness of the wall times Z. So, makukuha mo yung value ng Z in terms of B. So, by this, may M ka na square root of or multiplier ka na square root of A2 over A1 na 1.667. And then, may value ka with this, makukuha mo yung value na B, which is 223, and with the ceiling mat of by 5. So, since 223 siya, so yung next na value niya is 225. So, for the RN limit, po sir, is 0.85 F prime C A1 square root of A2 over A1. And then, RN limit is 1.7 F prime C times A1. So, dapat hindi siya mag-exceed sa RN limit. So, ang value ng RN limit is 950,000, and then yung RN2 is 791. Since hindi naman siya nag-exceed sa RN limit, meaning safe siya. So, safe na gamitin yung B na 225. Tapos, dito, hindi na siya NA na, not applicable na siya since sa case 2, yung value na nakuha na diretso kay 225 na, yun nga, kasi nga safe siya. And then for the final design of B po, sir, is the B is equals to 125. 3. Design of the thickness of beam bearing plate or T. So, wherein, wherein, sabi dito, sir, V is equals to 0.9. So, ang yung sa na-derive na value, sir, sa I section is T is equals to 2 over 2 times RU times n squared over 0.9 BLBFY, wherein 2 over 0.9 is equals to 2.22. So, pwede rin 2.22 yung gamitin po, sir. So, n is equals to b minus 2k over 2, wherein dito siya makikita sa diagram po, sir, na dalawang n plus dalawang k is equals to b. So, ito yung derived na po na value ng n. So, may n ka na value for this. Ma-substitute na nimo siya diri sa po, sir. So, with this, may value ka na T is equals 34.5434. Since wala naman pong value na 34.5434, so ceiling mat po siya by the multiple or divisible by 5. So, multiples of 5. Since 24 siya, so yung next na value niya is 35. So, design summary po, sir. So, ito na yung sa I-beam section na ginamit, which is HP 310 by 79 or this po. So, since I use HP shape, so yung HP na gagamitin is ito. Yung kung ano yung sinelect ko dito po, sir. Next is, sa I-beam section is HP 310 by 79, and then still use is 836 sa I-beam. For the bearing plate na ginamit po, sir, is 836. So, dito siya po, sir. So, na dyan. So, beam bearing plate design is LB, or the length of the beam bearing plate, is 120 mm. For the B, or the width of the beam bearing plate, is equals to 225 mm. For the thickness, is equals to 35 mm, or the thickness of beam bearing plate. So, sir, if ever yung LB is mag-negative yung value niya, sir, dito po, sir, um, dito po, sir, if ever na mag-negative yung value dito, sir, na plate not required na siya dito, sir. So, dito siya makikita. Plate not required na siya. So, if ever na mag-negative siya, plate not required. So, I think, ito po yung diagram niya po, sir. So, ito yung thickness, and then the base, and then the LB. So, I think this is all na-explain na nakatanan po, sir. So, um, thank you po, sir. Thank you, sir.